Hi, I'm Anthony from SSW, and I'm going to talk to you about containers. Why would you want to use containers? The main thing about containers is they can reduce your running costs, they can reduce your maintenance costs, and they can get rid of developers saying, it worked on my machine. So a container is like a little virtual machine that doesn't have the operating system installed. So you can run them side by side, and you don't need as many resources to run because you're not running the whole operating system. So the container itself runs your web application, and it also contains all of the libraries that application needs to run. And this is really good because you don't have to install specific versions of all these different libraries on your servers. The containers actually contain all of the libraries that particular application needs. So you don't have to worry about the versions conflicting between this application, that application running together. You don't need an old version of Node and a newer version of Node on your server for things to work. You can simply download the image, and the only dependency you've got is actually on Docker. Now, Docker supplies the technology for actually doing the images and for running these containers. So the great thing about this is the container has everything it actually needs to run. And what you actually run is the very same thing between the developer environment and the staging environment and production. So that means you don't have any more of those weird things that happened once it went to production. There wasn't the same version that you needed, or there was a conflicting version, or strange things that happen as you actually go between a staging environment and production environment. So some people wonder if that means they then need to run Kubernetes. Now, Kubernetes is far more specific than containers. And so you do need containers to run on Kubernetes, but you don't need Kubernetes to run containers. There's lots of other options available. So for example, you can run in Azure in their AKS, which is the Managed Kubernetes Service. You can run it like a normal web application and run on a web app, or you can run on ACI, which is the Azure Container Instances, which is a serverless style of running your web application. If you're interested in finding out more about containers, absolutely reach out to us and give us a call at SSW. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.